Throughout our lives, we all have opportunities that are presented to us, whether directly or indirectly. Most of us are so caught up in the busyness of our day-to-day world that we never notice these opportunities. And if we do, we instantly think, I don't have the time or the energy for that. I fall into the same trap, except when it comes to hunting, fishing, or anything outdoors related. One day, while at my daughter's basketball practice, I was chatting with another dad that, like me, is an avid hunter. I've gotten to know Josh through all the hours of games and practices, and we've become good friends. Through our conversation, he mentioned that he had a friend that drew a once-in-a-lifetime moose tag in Idaho, along with his dad. Josh had done some scouting in the off-season for them, and was planning to tag along to help on the hunt. Practice ended, and that was the end of the moose hunting conversation. Later, I got thinking about what an awesome opportunity it would be to experience a hunt like that and help the two tag holders however I could. On September 25th, I sent Josh the following text, quote, I'm not trying to invite myself to the party, but just check my schedule. I could probably take Monday off to help, film, pack, glass for that moose hunt if you guys want an extra body on Sunday or Monday. Little did I know that seizing the opportunity that presented itself would turn into such an epic day of helping a father and son fill their once-in-a-lifetime moose tag. As Josh and I were glassing and enjoying our breakfast, a broken message comes across the radio, and it sounds like bull down. We couldn't make out the rest of what the other guys were saying, but we thought it sounded like they might have a second bull in the area. While Josh and I were trying to figure out if we should pack up and go find them, I glass up what looks to be a solid bull and cow, but before we could get the camera on him, he moved into the thick timber. I saw where he went, and it was right below the road we were on, so we packed up shop and drove over to get a better look.
So how far down is that hole? Because I saw that cow. Is it by that cow?
So we can winch it up, can we? Sweet.
Oh, yeah.
Should we just double? Okay. We can drive right to them pretty much. We'll drive right to them almost.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Yeah.
What I want. Gosh. Fuck, dude.
Thank you.
Well, Rusty found him. You know, because I would have drove. I mean, we knew where he was.
I mean, Josh brought the chair I was sitting in, so...
I did set him up.
So Josh gets some of the cookies.
I put up the binoculars exactly where he was going to look.
Yeah. I was just drinking my vanilla latte, minding my own business.
I mean, at this point, we just gotta get that thing cooled down. Luckily, it was down there in a hole that was shaded, and so we got that going for us. I brought a water if anybody wants some water. Man, he is so strong pulling that thing.
Get a video on this, Rusty.
Oh, it's on video right now. I'll cut out that and just frame you in. That's exactly what it looks like right now, dude. It looks like you're just pulling it up. Dude.
Oh, man. Don't worry, guys. I got it. I got it.
Keep pulling, Josh. You can get it, dude. You've been working out.
I gotta take a break.
Hold on, stop. That could have been bad.
Then I went back.
You're gonna want to slide back though. Yeah.
And I shot when he was on that side.
Yeah.
And the instant I shot, he moved forward, and another bolt came out. But it was a smaller one.
Yeah.
Thank God.
Yep, go ahead.
70 years old before I got my first moose. And last.
Wait.
It was. It was fantastic.
Oh, never. Oh, let me get him a chair. This is the best view ever.
Dude, Lee's got the best chair in the house. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, guys.